16 websites to make $100 a day. Are you guys ready for this? Cool part is this was working worldwide, so I don't care where you live. This works worldwide, and these are 16 different websites that you can try out, and they have the potential to make $100 a day. Now, I thought I'd do something really cool with this video, so don't skip it. Make sure you watch it until the end, because what I did was I actually asked you guys if every single person could name one website that made $100 per day. I thought we would have the best list out of any of the other YouTube videos out there because it's been directly tested out by all of my viewers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna feature 16 of the best answers that came through on my YouTube channel coming up. Alright, so let's jump into it. Smash a like on this video, drop down and subscribe, and take the bell notification icon because you're not going to want to miss the next video that I'm uploading on the channel, and you're going to want to get notified of that. Okay, so the first website comes in from the Barris. He says respondent.com. Now I think he actually means respondent.io. What respondent.io is, as you can see, get the highest quality research participants you need for any research study. So basically what companies do is they come in here and they basically want people to come in and they want like research done, and you get paid for basically going and taking on one of these projects. So the contractor will come in, they'll post a project, and then you go and you basically say, okay, I want to apply to this project. You go through and you do the research, and then you get paid. So you're basically just getting paid to research stuff for other companies that are out there. You can see that some of the best brands in the world actually use this website. Like, I'm sure you've heard of Dropbox, GoDaddy, Square, SendGrid, Microsoft, even Airbnb. So these companies are actually using this site to reach people who they want to find out basically research, and that's what you would get paid to do. So that's a good one. I like that one. Thanks to the Barris for contributing that. Okay, Bakir Raza says blogger.com. This is an interesting one because, you know, a lot of times on this YouTube channel here, we're talking about WordPress.com, but blogger.com is like the OG, right? That's like the original one. And Blogger is, I think they're still a Google-owned property. They used to be. I'm pretty sure that they still are. And it's basically a way to blog and get paid for it. Now, part of the cool part about being a Google-owned property is that there's a little bit of preference that comes, just like with YouTube, right? Because it's Google owned, like you can rank higher in the search results and get traffic. So I can definitely see, I mean, I've made lots of money blogging. All you need to do is pick a really good niche, a good market, and then start blogging and sharing what's going on, and share affiliate links, share product reviews, and get people to buy those products or those affiliate links, and boom, you're making money. So nice share. Okay, next up is James. James Fitzsimmons says, Instagram, plain and simple, grow an account in a niche, charge money for people to advertise on your page. You can choose to invest cash to make the process faster. Do it in your free time. I know a lot of people who are crushing with Instagram. So, I mean, I guess this actually, for those of you who don't have a computer, you know, Instagram is an app. So you can do this straight from your cell phone. We've all got a tiny device in our pocket that we could be using. So if you want to make $100 per day with your phone, do what James recommends. Pick a niche. Post good content just on that niche topic. Instagram has a lot of good niches for this. Luxury, travel, cars, animals, fitness, all of those do really well. You could pick one of those and then, like he says, you know, charge people to advertise. So it's a great strategy and a great plan. Okay, next up on the list, this one is coming in from Web Vibes. He says, Ask Wonder. Ask Wonder. Basically, it's kind of like a research site. So it's pretty similar to Respondent. In that people want to find out, basically they want research done, and you can be the person that does it. It works almost the same thing, almost the same way. So check that one out as well if you're thinking about Respondent. Ask Wonder looks like it could be a good alternative to that. Looks like a lot of big companies using it, Shell, Johnson & Johnson, HP. So both of those ones are catering to very large companies, so they're probably very trustworthy. And like I said, we're grabbing this list from you guys, from viewers of the channel. And you know, if you want to contribute to another video and you want to be featured, all you have to do is subscribe and turn notifications on. You'll get notified when I ask to, you know, give me your opinion on something. Okay, next up, Patrick Pepek says, Shopify, bro. I agree. Shopify is a good one. So Shopify is drop shipping or e-commerce. It doesn't have to be drop shipping, but that's typically what a lot of people are using Shopify for nowadays. And with e-commerce, basically you can set up your site. They give you a 14-day free trial. At least they used to. Do they still? They probably do. Yeah, right here. Start your free trial. You can get your site up and running. You can get selling stuff. I would even add to this, we could turn this 16 websites into 17 websites, AliExpress.com. That'll be my contribution to it. AliExpress is where you can find items to sell on Shopify. You can list them. There are products that come from China. They're extremely affordable. You can list them on your Shopify site with a markup, maybe 5 times, 10 times markup, depending on the item cost. And you can sell the item, collect the money first from the client, and then you can ship it out and pay for it on AliExpress. So you just create a Shopify store, buy the items from AliExpress, boom, you're good to go. All right, next up on the list is Jeremy Ferguson. What's up, Jeremy? Jeremy's crushing it out there. Shout out to Jeremy. He said you can make $100 a day with Facebook ads and Leadgen websites. Jeremy knows this, of course, because he's in our Requestment program. Check out the link in the description of the video if you guys want to learn more about that program. But Jeremy's crushing it with that program. And this is what an example of what a Leadgen site looks like. We call it Leadgen because you fill out a form here, and you set this form up for a client basically, and once a customer comes in and fills it out, you sell the lead to the client. So like you would work with like a remodeling contractor, for example. Every time you get that remodeling contractor a lead, like a customer to fill out this form who's interested in getting a remodel done, you get paid for it. All right, cool, awesome, shout out Jeremy. All right, next up on the list, Aniket Tart says Teespring and Max Bounty, so he contributed too. Props to you, my dude. That's awesome. Let's go through both of them. Teespring. Teespring is the print-on-demand website. I guess now they don't just do t-shirts, but they're doing home decor with canvas prints, pillows, posters, socks, phone cases. So this site's pretty cool. You come up here, you click Start Designing. I think they're going to make me sign up for an account. I already have one. I'm not going to log in. I'll just basically explain it. But what you do, you can do simple little, word designs even, like this one. Let's check out this one. And what happens is you don't have to print or buy inventory. It kind of works like the AliExpress Shopify thing I was telling you about. You put up a simple design, you post it on your social media, create a Facebook page for it, and basically they print it as it sells. So someone will buy this for $25. You might make like $7 profit on that. And every time they sell one, they print it, they ship it to the customer. You don't have to do anything. You just get paid your cut of it for selling it. So it's pretty awesome. It's a great way to get started without having to stock any inventory. So yeah, Teespring's a good one. The other one that he mentioned was Max Bounty. Max Bounty is a CPA marketing site. CPA marketing is basically like affiliate marketing. So companies will come on here. They might be trying to push car insurance, for example. So you basically would get paid for finding people who need car insurance and driving them to an offer. It might be as simple as just, having them fill out their email to get a free quote on car insurance or their zip code and get a free quote on car insurance. And you might get paid like $4 or something like that. So that's pretty cool. I would definitely recommend Max Bounty as well. I've personally used it, personally made a lot of money with it, a lot more than even $100 a day. So I'd highly recommend that one as well. Good contribution. Numi says YouTube. All right, yeah, YouTube obviously you can make $100 a day with. Obviously I'm making well over $100 a day with YouTube. Lots of other YouTubers out there making well over $100 a day. So it's definitely good, but I will say that this one does take some extreme dedication. You're going to have to put out videos weekly. It does take a lot of work, of course, because you're putting out content, you're coming up with ideas. So yeah, be prepared to be in this one for the long term. It's not going to be something that you're going to be able to get started and make $100 a day within the first week or 2 weeks. No, it's going to take some time. I would prepare for months of work with YouTube to make $100 a day. But yeah, it's definitely possible. Okay, Josue Sanchez says ClickFunnels. Yeah, shout out to ClickFunnels, of course. Of course, you can make $100 a day with ClickFunnels. There's people making multiple million. Right here, $3.4 billion processed through ClickFunnels. That's insane, right? So there's lots of entrepreneurs out there. ClickFunnels is basically just a website to build funnels. In fact, it's the same website we use to build out this Leadgen funnel, which was suggested by Jeremy. And we're making, $100 a day with this funnel, well over that. And yeah, it was all built out on ClickFunnels. So it kind of goes hand in hand. That's a good share. All right, EDA Clip says Skillshare. Now, I personally know someone who makes a lot of money with Skillshare. He's been on the channel before. His name is John Shea. You've probably seen him. I don't know if he's making $100 per day, but I know that's possible, and I know that you can do that with Skillshare. Skillshare is basically, it's kind of like Udemy. It's basically the same thing. If you're really good at something, maybe it's cooking, maybe it's photography, maybe it's drumming, you could basically put up a little online course. It could be just, like 10 videos, 5 videos, depending on how long they are. And you could just basically teach that skill and you get paid for it. They basically pay you every month for it. So yeah, very good contribution. I like that one. Ashutosh, sorry, I probably really messed up the pronunciation of your name, said Fiverr. And I've featured Fiverr on this channel a lot. I love Fiverr, not just making money with Fiverr, but I love buying from Fiverr too. And they originally named this site Fiverr because it was the place where you could go to get little micro jobs done. It could be something like a logo design. It could be like a shout out. It could be like a article. But now it's a lot more than just $5. There's a lot of people that post things for $25, $100, even $1,000. So if you found a good gig that you could post up there for $100, like this guy's doing voiceover, who was just on the screen. I mean, he probably charged $25 to $100 for that, depending on how long it is. Man, you just need to get 1 gig sale a day. So yeah, Fiverr is a good one. Madhu says Upwork. Yeah, absolutely. We use Upwork all the time. I know you can make $100 a day with Upwork because I've actually used Upwork to hire people and have spent well over that hiring people on there, from programmers, graphic designers, VAs, all sorts of different things, marketing, helping out with Pinterest, helping out with Instagram, you name it, I've probably hired for on it. It's a wonderful site, not just for hiring, but also if you want to find a virtual job, like you want to get paid daily to just do something you love and work from home, Upwork is a great place. All right, Amkar says Clickbank. Yes, Clickbank is good. Clickbank is kind of similar to Max Bounty, where we're talking about affiliate marketing, but the difference is it features a lot of other things. They feature software. They feature like guitar lessons. They feature like dog training. So there's lots of other things on there. Lots of even dancing, some vitamin offers. But yeah, it's basically the same thing. You find a product that you want to promote on here. You get paid 50 to 75% commission usually to promote it. So if the product sells for $200, you're making over $100 per sale to promote that offer. So pretty cool. Analytical Dude says Craigslist. Yeah, I would agree with you. Craigslist is a great way. We post lots of stuff on Craigslist, whether it be to generate leads for clients. So you could make money doing that. We worked with an attorney who wanted to generate leads for business credit. So we advertised for businesses who were looking to get credit. And we did well with that. We made well over $100 per day with that one, because every lead was worth way more than that. So yeah, it's a great opportunity if you know how to position it. You could even be selling stuff on here. Maybe you got stuff laying around the house. So yeah, Craigslist, great one. All right, and then we have Facebook here on our list from Goldie Jazzwall. So with Facebook, I mean, there's endless opportunity. I would primarily probably focus on the ad platform if it were me, which is business.facebook.com. And you could be setting up advertisements. They could be running to your affiliate offers. They could be running to your lead generation pages. If you want to learn more about how to do that, check out the link in my description. There's a free masterclass. I show you exactly that. How to set up a simple Facebook ad. Takes like 2 minutes. How to drive traffic to here to get people to fill out this form so that you can get paid basically every time someone fills out that form. So yeah, I would agree with you on that. Facebook is a good one. Anyways, guys, that is all of the websites. If you enjoyed this video, smash a like on it. Make sure you're subscribed so that you get notified of my next video. And I'm also going to leave a link to check out this video next. It's about 10 websites that you can make $100 per day with your mobile phone. So if you just have a cell phone and no computer, you're going to want to watch that video next. But anyways, guys, I will see you in another video. I am Paul James. Peace out.